My dear friends, if you've been tossing and turning through the night, staring at the ceiling, wondering why your body won't rest even though you're exhausted, let me tell you something important. It's not your fault. As we age, our bodies change. Hormones shift, muscles relax, and the internal clock that once guided your sleep so beautifully can lose its rhythm. But here's the truth most people never tell you. You are not doomed to restless nights. You are not sentenced to fatigue and frustration. You can reclaim your rest naturally by giving your body what it's quietly asking for. You see, our bodies are like orchestras. Every vitamin, every mineral, every hormone plays its note in the great symphony of health. But when just one instrument, just one vitamin falls silent, the entire performance feels off. The rhythm of your sleep is no different. Many seniors don't realize that the key to sleeping soundly again doesn't lie in another sleeping pill, but in restoring what the body has been missing all along. The first of these natural helpers is magnesium, the calming mineral. Think of magnesium as nature's relaxation signal. It's what your muscles crave when they ache, what your nerves need when they're overactive, and what your mind longs for when thoughts won't stop racing at 2 a.m. Magnesium helps regulate melatonin, your body's sleep hormone, and balances stress hormones that keep you awake. It's simple, safe, and found in foods like spinach, almonds, and pumpkin seeds, or in a small nightly supplement that can make the difference between 3 hours of restless, dozing and 7 hours of peaceful sleep. Second vitamin is the humble vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Too many seniors stay indoors, missing that essential daily light that powers not only their bones but their mood and sleep. Low vitamin D is like a dimmer switch on your body's energy. Your brain can't tell when it's time to sleep or wake. A little sunlight or a small supplement reignites that natural cycle. You'll feel your energy rise by day and your sleep deepen by night. And then there's vitamin B6, the quiet star of your body's serotonin production. Serotonin is your feel-good messenger, the one that tells your mind it's safe to let go, to rest, to dream. Without enough B6, your sleep cycle struggles to transition from wakefulness to restfulness. It's like your body can't find the off switch. But when B6 levels are restored, through foods like bananas, avocados, and chickpeas, your nights become calm again. Your dreams return, and your mornings feel brighter. Now imagine this for a moment. You, resting through the night, no more clock watching, no more sighing into the dark, just pure uninterrupted rest. These 3 simple vitamins, magnesium, vitamin D, and vitamin B6, cost less than a cup of coffee, yet they hold the power to give you back something priceless, your peace. You don't need to chase complicated remedies or expensive sleep formulas. You simply need to nourish the body that's been serving you all these years. Because your body wants to heal. It always has. You just have to give it the right tools. So tonight, when you turn off the lights, remember this. Your rest is not a luxury. It's your right. You deserve to sleep deeply, to dream fully, and to wake up ready to live beautifully. And with just a few natural vitamins, you absolutely can. Sleep, something so natural, so essential, should come easily, shouldn't it? Yet for millions of seniors around the world, the nights have grown longer, the rest shorter, and the mornings heavier. The irony is that after decades of hard work, raising families, building careers, and contributing to the world, when the body finally deserves its rest, it seems to betray us. Many seniors find themselves lying awake at 3 a.m., wondering why their bodies refuse the gift of deep, restorative sleep. But here's the secret. Sleeplessness in older age is not a mystery. It's not just a part of getting old. It's often the body's gentle cry for help. A whisper that something small, something natural, something fixable is out of balance. One of the most overlooked causes of sleeplessness in seniors is not stress, not pain, not even medical conditions. It's vitamin deficiency. Yes, the very nutrients that used to flow effortlessly through your younger body slowly begin to fade with time. Let's take a moment to understand why. As we age, our digestive systems become less efficient. The stomach produces less acid, meaning we absorb fewer nutrients from our food. Our appetite changes. often shrinking due to medication side effects or slower metabolism. And on top of that, many seniors take medications that actually deplete essential vitamins, especially B vitamins, magnesium, and vitamin D. So even if your diet looks balanced on the surface, your cells might be starving for the raw materials that keep your body's natural rhythms in tune. Now, sleep is not just a passive act. It's an intricate biological performance involving hormones, neurotransmitters, and cellular repair. The brain releases melatonin when it senses darkness. Your muscles relax as magnesium calms your nerves. Your serotonin levels, supported by B6, help your mood unwind, preparing your mind for rest. And vitamin D works like the conductor, ensuring the timing of this sleep symphony stays perfect with your body's natural clock. But when just one of these vitamins falls short, the music becomes chaotic. The body wants to rest, but it doesn't remember how. Think about magnesium for a moment. It's responsible for calming the nervous system, your body's natural brake pedal. Without enough magnesium, your muscles stay tense, your heart beats faster, and your brain can't stop thinking. You might not even realize it, but low magnesium is one of the biggest silent reasons behind restless legs, nighttime cramps, and shallow sleep. The good news? It's one of the easiest deficiencies to fix. Then there's vitamin D. With age, we tend to spend less time in the sun, partly out of caution, partly out of habit. But sunlight isn't just about warmth. It's the signal your body uses to regulate its sleep-wake rhythm, also known as the circadian clock. Low vitamin D disrupts this rhythm, making you feel tired during the day but oddly alert at night. That's why so many seniors experience daytime dozing and nighttime awakening. It's not a lack of willpower. It's a biochemical miscommunication that can be corrected naturally. And of course, vitamin B6 plays its part quietly but powerfully. It helps your brain produce both serotonin and melatonin, the two most critical hormones for peaceful rest. When your B6 levels drop, your mood suffers, anxiety rises, and sleep becomes lighter and more fragmented. It's not depression, it's not insomnia. It's often just a vitamin imbalance that no one thought to check. What makes this even more important is that these deficiencies rarely come alone. When one vitamin is low, the others often follow. The result? A perfect storm of sleepless nights, irritability, and exhaustion. Many seniors resort to sleeping pills, unaware that those pills can dull the senses, disrupt memory, and create dependency. What their body really wants isn't a drug, it's nourishment. But here's the hope. Once you start understanding the why, you can begin to take control. You can nourish your body instead of numbing it. You can strengthen your internal systems rather than forcing them into silence. By simply restoring balance through a proper diet, sunlight, hydration, and affordable vitamin supplements, you give your body what it's been missing for years. Imagine this: your body quietly rebuilding itself at night, your mind resting, your dreams returning. You wake up with a clear head, strong energy, and peaceful gratitude. It's possible, not through synthetic sleep aids, but through nature's design. So the next time you find yourself awake at midnight, don't curse your body. Listen to it. It's not broken. It's asking for what it once had in abundance. And once you give it back, you'll be amazed at how easily sleep finds you again. When it comes to fixing sleep, people often look for complicated answers. They spend money on sleep trackers, expensive mattresses, herbal teas, and prescription pills that promise a full night's rest, but deliver only temporary calm. Yet, the truth is simpler, cheaper, and far more natural. Our bodies were designed to sleep well when they are nourished well. And there are 3 vitamins, just 3, that hold the power to restore deep, peaceful sleep naturally, safely, and affordably: magnesium, vitamin D, and vitamin B6. Let's start with the first one, magnesium, the sleep mineral. This humble nutrient is like nature's tranquilizer, yet without the side effects. Magnesium works by activating the parasympathetic nervous system, the part of your body responsible for relaxation. It helps slow your heart rate, quiet your mind, and prepare your muscles for rest. But as we age, magnesium levels naturally decline. Combine that with modern diets low in leafy greens and nuts, and it's easy to see why sleeplessness becomes so common. Magnesium also plays a vital role in regulating melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it's time to sleep. Without enough magnesium, melatonin production falters, and your body's internal clock becomes confused. You might feel tired but restless, sleepy yet wide awake. The beauty of magnesium is how quickly it can work once your body starts getting enough. Foods like spinach, pumpkin seeds, almonds, and avocados are rich sources. For those who prefer supplements, a simple magnesium citrate or glycinate tablet before bed can gently relax the body and prepare the mind for peaceful sleep. No grogginess, no dependency, just calm. Now let's talk about vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D doesn't just strengthen your bones, it also helps synchronize your circadian rhythm, the natural internal clock that tells you when to wake and when to sleep. When you don't get enough sunlight, especially during the colder months or later in life when outdoor activity decreases, your vitamin D levels drop. This deficiency silently throws off your sleep pattern. Low vitamin D has been linked to poor sleep quality, insomnia, and even increased daytime fatigue. The body becomes confused about when it should produce melatonin and when it should produce cortisol, the stress hormone. The solution, however, is wonderfully simple. Spend just 15 to 20 minutes a day in natural sunlight, ideally in the morning. This alone can improve your vitamin D levels and help your body rediscover its natural rhythm. If sunlight is limited, a small daily supplement, often costing less than a cup of coffee, can help restore balance. You'll not only sleep better, but also feel more energized throughout the day. And then, we have vitamin B6, the unsung hero of restful nights. This vitamin plays a critical role in the production of two key neurotransmitters, serotonin and melatonin. Serotonin stabilizes your mood and promotes feelings of relaxation, while melatonin signals to your body that it's time to sleep. Without enough B6, your brain struggles to convert tryptophan into serotonin, leading to restlessness, anxiety, and mood swings, all of which make sleep elusive. Vitamin B6 deficiency is common in older adults, often due to reduced dietary intake and certain medications. The good news is, nature provides it abundantly. Foods like bananas, avocados, chickpeas, tuna, and poultry are excellent sources. Regular intake of B6-rich foods can help calm your mind, reduce nighttime anxiety, and ease you into a deep, uninterrupted sleep. What's truly amazing is how these three vitamins, magnesium, vitamin D, and vitamin B6, work together like a perfect trio. Magnesium relaxes the muscles and calms the nerves. Vitamin D regulates the timing of your sleep cycle. Vitamin B6 enhances the production of the very hormones that bring rest. When your body has all three in balance, sleep doesn't have to be forced. It flows naturally. And the best part? None of these solutions require a doctor's prescription or a costly treatment plan. They don't bring the side effects that sleeping pills do. No dizziness, no dependency, no memory fog. They simply restore what nature intended your body to have in the first place. Imagine this. You prepare for bed, your body at ease, your mind calm, your breathing slow and steady. You drift off naturally, not fighting sleep but embracing it. You wake up refreshed, without that heavy, foggy feeling that comes from artificial sleep aids. These vitamins don't just help you sleep. They help your body heal, repair, and rejuvenate overnight, just as it's meant to. So, before reaching for another pill or blaming yourself for restless nights, try giving your body what it truly craves: magnesium to relax, vitamin D to balance, and vitamin B6 to restore. Simple, natural, affordable, and profoundly effective. When you start nurturing your body with these essentials, you're not just improving your sleep, you're reclaiming your peace, your energy, and your life. Because real rest doesn't come from force, it comes from harmony. And harmony begins with nature's simplest gifts. When we talk about sleepless nights, it's easy to believe it's just an inevitable part of aging, that the body has simply grown too tired to rest. But the truth is far more empowering. Your body is not broken. It's not too late. It's simply waiting to be nourished again. Sleep is not a luxury reserved for the young. It's a birthright for every human being, no matter your age. And the key to unlocking it doesn't lie in expensive treatments or addictive sleeping pills. It lies in restoring the natural harmony your body was designed to have. You see, the human body is extraordinary. It knows how to heal, how to rest, and how to repair itself when given the right tools. Magnesium, vitamin D, and vitamin B6 are not just nutrients. They're the quiet conductors of your internal orchestra. They work together to calm your nerves, balance your hormones, and remind your brain that it's safe to let go. When these three elements return to balance, your body remembers what peaceful sleep feels like. Imagine waking up without grogginess. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing energy in your eyes again. Imagine your days filled with focus and your nights filled with calm. That's what happens when you treat the cause, not the symptom. When you choose to nourish, not numb. So tonight, instead of reaching for another pill or blaming your age, reach for nature's gifts. Eat foods rich in these vitamins, step into the morning sun, and drink plenty of water. Within weeks, you'll begin to feel the shift. Your mind quieter, your body lighter, your sleep deeper. You've carried the weight of years with strength and grace. You deserve rest that matches that strength. Let these simple, affordable vitamins guide you back to the peace your body has been craving. Because when you sleep deeply, you don't just rest, you renew. And that renewal is the beginning of a brighter, more vibrant tomorrow.